How you doing, everybody? This is George at Wicked Warnings here with a little tech tip on installing your under tailgate strip. If you're going to install one of these under tailgate strips like this, you might have a Chevy, you might have a Ford, you might have a Dodge or a Isuzu or Toyota, whatever. There's a couple things you need to consider. First thing is clean the area extremely well underneath the strip where you're going to mount. Clean that very well. The other thing is Adhesion Promoter. If you do a lot of this stuff, I buy it in the can. You could also buy the single service device package right here on our site as well. Locally, you probably get this at auto parts store as well. That is paramount. Makes a huge difference in the longevity of how this product will stick. My favorite way to apply that is with a stork like this, and you go down in there and you're going to want to clean all that area out of there and make sure. Now, if you happen to have a bracket, like you can see there was a bracket right here, take that bracket out of the way. Fords have them. The newer Silverado has it. It's a Torx T40. Just take that bracket out of there and make sure you have a nice flat surface all the way across like that. The other trick that we do here, let's get these tools out of the way, is in regards to the prep of the 3M tape. Okay, so the way that I like to do it is I'll usually remove a little bit of the red tape in the middle, and I'll remove the ends and peel it up like that so you can grab it from the top. And this way you can position with just a little bit of 3M, the end, pull it nice and tight, stick the middle, pull it tight, stick this other end, and then pull this tape out the top as you're going along, aligning it. Otherwise, if you take all that tape off at once, it's kind of a bear to hold everything level. So definitely, when you do this way, it's a little bit easier. So hopefully this little tip helped. It was just a tip on how to apply the self-stick, the 3M there for the under tailgate strip. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings. If you got a better way, post it up. We'll see you in the next video.